Hi friends, welcome back. And today we are going to discussing about how to do for mouse action for right click. How we can able to see this particular element. If you click how many times, it won't work. If you double click, it will give you some alert. But when you click for right click, automatically it will give you a pop up. You can able to do for H over into any one of them. Okay, how to do these kind of operations? Right, right click. Okay, right clicking for that particular element. For this, I'm going to use this particular demo application. I'm copying this code and I'm going to use for here 16. Right click. Okay, this is my application. Okay, now I want to right click for this one, but I can't able to identify the locator. Because of that, I'm going to inspecting some other location. Putting a mouse over in this particular location, you can able to see right click. Okay, this is my right click name. I'll take as a X path. Okay, and star two square braces contains two open braces and text equal to comma a single quotation value. Okay, this is my X path. I want to click for that particular right click. Okay, and I'm going to use this one closing await page dot locator. In this locator, I'm going to specify my locator, and then I want to use one thing like a click functionality. Okay, this is my click functionality. If you click, it won't work, right? Then how to do that? We have some mouse action for that. Okay, for the mouse action, we need to do for the click option. Okay, then only we can able to do. In case maybe if you see my previous videos also, there are some things we are used for double click and right click, right? Whether the similar format it is presented or not. There is no method called a right click. See, drag and drop elements identification and these are the things it is presented. There is no method called a right click. Okay, then we can able to use the functionality. How to use it? Inside the click functionality, we need to use for new keyword, then locator click option, and then you can use for two curly braces. And here, what kind of action you need to do? Button action, right? You have to use the button. Okay, equal to a mouse button dot right. Button dot right. Okay, this functionality will work you as per expected. Okay, now I'm copying this one and 16 and then I'm running this one. Okay, you can see now right click automatically can proceed for the right click. See, right click it is happen, right? Like this we can able to do. Even after right click you need to do for H over. Okay, H over we have already done for that, right? The similar format you have to do for H over. H over is then you can provide the locator and provide the H over. Automatically it will go that particular location. If you want to H over in that particular location and double anything is okay and you can click or you can double click sometime it works sometime it won't work in that particular application. H over you want you can do H over or you can if you want to click you can able to take the intended path of that particular element and dot click functionality. It will work as expected, okay, without any issue. Okay, thank you for watching and please do subscribe and share to your friends and colleagues. Thank you.